elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for giraffe, tall and kind. H is for hat, fun to find. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jelly, a wiggly treat. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for nest, in a tree. O is for owl, wooing at night. P is for penguin, walking upright. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rainbow, all around town. S is for snake, sliding by. T is for train, chugging by. U is for umbrella, when it rains. V is for violin, sweet little strains. W is for whale, splashing free. X is for son of thumb, play it with glee. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped like a crown. Alphabet recap, A, B, C. Now say it with me. Clap your hands and wiggle your feet. Great job! You know your A,